Do you know about Jokowi, Farel?
Yeah, I do. Mr. Jokowi, the President of Republic Indonesia.
Hey, my name is Jokowi. Your face. Do I do that? Might I join the conversation?
Yeah, sure, bro.
Yeah, of course. We're just talking about some politics.
What's your name, bro?
My name is Farah.
I'm Adli.
Nice to meet you. I'm Faisal. Can I ask you guys a question?
What is it?
Okay, so do young people have a bright future in Indonesia?
I think it's about 50-50.
Why?
Yeah, why?
Because some young people are on the wrong path, and some people are on the right path.
Oh, I see. I get it.
Wait, what do you mean by that?
Do you know that right now many young Indonesians are gambling?
Gambling?
Yes, gambling. A lot of young people nowadays gamble. They even get into a lot of debt and can even sell their house item.
Wow, that's really bad.
Yeah, really bad.
Do you know why they gamble?
I think it's because they want to get rich quickly and easily.
I see.
Most of Indonesian young people also lack literacy.
Lack of literacy?
Yeah, you know that many young Indonesians lack literacy. How can they believe facts with, without any evidence?
Do you know how they can lack literacy?
Maybe because they are lazy.
Yeah, the current generation is a lot lazy.
That's right. Some of them just went to have fun without having anything to aim for.
Doing fun? Like what?
Of course, playing games, scrolling TikTok, playing Instagram and others. Like ways they are to attack it to their cellphone.
In fact, they can do it in almost one day.
Whoa, one day? That's crazy, man.
Yeah, that's crazy. Maybe that's why they have less interest in reading. If they continue like that, I don't think they will have a bright future.
Oh, I see. I hope they have a bright future and leave those cleaning activity behind.
I hope so too.
Okay, if that's the bad one, how about the good one?
The good part is, some young kids in Indonesia feel they know the most about technology.
Do they really know about the technology though?
Yeah, they know a lot about technology. Can even make their own apps which are really cool. And many young Indonesian people use their time very well, such as increasing their knowledge, researching, and improving their skill.
I see. Thank you for your information, guys.